Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dometic 310 valve is probably one of the most important components in your RV's sanitation system, ensuring smooth and reliable operation of your toilet. This video will provide an in-depth look at this crucial part, covering its function, common issues, maintenance tips, and how to choose the right replacement valve to keep your RV toilet working flawlessly, saving you from costly repairs and ensuring a comfortable experience on the road. Number 5. Sealand Marine Toilet Valve Kit 3853111641. This kit is designed for easy replacement of your old, leaky valve. It's compatible with 300, 310, and 320 series Sealand Marine toilets. Replacing your valve is simple. Just follow the instructions and you'll be back to smooth sailing in no time. Say goodbye to annoying leaks with this durable replacement valve. It's built to last. When connecting the water pipe, be sure not to over-tighten to prevent thread damage. Use the included fasteners to securely attach it to your toilet's water pipe, preventing any unwanted disconnections. This kit comes with everything you need: a new water valve, hose clamp, fasteners, and screws. Everything for a complete repair. What we like. It's a simple fix for your leaking toilet. Everything you need is included in one convenient package. If you're on a budget and need a quick, reliable repair, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Just like original. Easy to install. 2 screws. Perfect replacement for Dometic 310 toilet. Fixed a leaking one, likely from freezing as described many times in these reviews. Even though I winterized trailer by blowing air through piping, apparently air didn't clear this valve, probably because I didn't know to depress toilet flush pedal while doing that to open the airway through the valve. Received the toilet valve a week earlier than promised. Part was easy to install and fit better than the same part we purchased last year. Quick response from vendor to an inquiry I made via email. Number 4. Dreyoo RV Toilet Valve. This upgraded RV toilet valve is compatible with Sealand 300, 310, 320 series toilets and other models. It's a practical replacement for your existing valve, ensuring a proper fit and function. Say goodbye to leaks. It uses advanced sealing technology to eliminate leaks, keeping your RV dry and safe from water damage, no matter how long you're parked. Replacing it is easy. Even without plumbing experience, you can install it in a few simple steps. No special tools are needed. It's designed to withstand low temperatures. This ensures it won't leak or malfunction, even in freezing conditions, providing reliable performance all year round. You get everything you need: the valve, a new seal, hose clamp, mesh filters, and screws. It's a comprehensive replacement kit for a worry-free repair. What we like. Say goodbye to leaks with its advanced sealing technology. It's designed for simple installation, even for beginners. If you prioritize leak prevention and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect fit for toilet. Was able to replace this part on my RV toilet. Quick and easy fit was perfect. Worked just like the original. At first, I ordered a more brand name version that was over twice the price for a single flush valve. It leaked worse than the one I was replacing. When I got this one, pack of 2, the valve worked perfectly. Number 3. Dreyoo RV Toilet Water Valve. This upgraded RV toilet valve is compatible with various Sealand models and the 3853111641 domestic RV toilet flush valve. It's a practical and easy to install solution for your RV toilet needs. Say goodbye to leaks. It uses advanced sealing technology to eliminate the risk of leaks, keeping your RV dry and safe, no matter the conditions. Replacing it is a breeze. Even without plumbing experience, you can easily install it in a few simple steps. No special tools are needed. It's built to withstand low temperatures. It resists frost damage and ensures reliable operation even in cold environments, providing peace of mind during winter travel. This kit includes everything you need: 2 water valves, seals, filters, screws, and clamps. Everything you need for a complete and easy replacement. With this reliable and easy to install valve, you can enjoy worry-free travels, knowing your RV toilet is in top condition. Happy travels! What we like. This offers double the value with 2 complete kits. Installation is a breeze, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you have a spare. If you need a backup or want to save time and effort, this is the best option. What people say. Perfect fit for toilet. Was able to replace this part on my RV toilet. Quick and easy fit was perfect. Worked just like the original. At first, I ordered a more brand name version that was over twice the price for a single flush valve. It leaked worse than the one I was replacing. When I got this one, pack of 2, the valve worked perfectly. Number 2. Beech Lane Dometic Valve Kit. It's frustrating, right? This upgraded replacement valve is built to last, saving you time and money. It's designed to fit Dometic 300, 310, and 320 series toilets, replacing part 385311641. Say goodbye to those yearly replacements. This valve is made with a glass fiber reinforced polymer. It's tested to withstand freezing temperatures, preventing costly cracks. The over-engineered design ensures a longer lifespan. You'll enjoy reliable performance for years to come. It features a unique rotary seam melting process. This completely seals the valve seams, preventing leaks and ensuring a watertight seal. Upgrade your RV toilet today with this superior replacement valve. Experience the difference of a durable, reliable, and leak-free solution. What we like. It's built to withstand freezing temperatures and is designed for lasting performance. The superior sealing ensures a leak-free experience. If you live in a cold climate or want a long-lasting solution, this is your best bet. What people say. It was a perfect replacement on my Dometic 310. It took 2 small screwdrivers to push in the clips to remove the old one, but the installation of the new one was easy. This seems like a well-built replacement and was easy to install. It's designed to fit Dometic 300, 310, and 320 series toilets, replacing part 385311641, which is great if you're tired of leaks or yearly valve replacements. The seams are completely sealed during production, which helps prevent leaks. This valve feels solid and better built than the original. It's designed for longevity. Number 1. Dometic Water Valve Kit. This kit ensures a smooth and efficient toilet operation. It's designed for easy installation and comes with all necessary components. It's a genuine Dometic part, guaranteeing a perfect fit and reliable performance for your toilet. You can trust it for a long-lasting repair. Everything you need is included: water valve, hose clamp, fasteners, and instructions. It simplifies the repair process significantly. This compact kit makes replacement straightforward. The clear instructions guide you through each step. It's compatible with various Dometic and Sealand toilet models, including 300, 301, 310, and 320 series. Check your model for compatibility. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. The small size doesn't compromise on quality or functionality. This kit is manufactured in the United States, ensuring high-quality standards and materials. You're getting a reliable product built to last. What we like. It's the original part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Installation is straightforward, and you'll have confidence in its quality. If you want the best quality and peace of mind, choose this genuine option. What people say. Good and proper fit, easy to install, no leaks, good quality. Perfect. The space to replace this valve is nothing short of tight. Use a handheld mirror, lean against wall behind toilet. May I suggest, if replacing this valve during the summer months, do so after your AC has been running for hours. Under these conditions we replace the valve in less than 10 minutes. The valve is sturdy and doesn't feel cheap. It's an original OEM part. Installation was easy with no leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.